Explain to me why this book is damaged. This negligence is precisely why you received...
The teacher said we need the new books by next week. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, little sister. I promise I will buy you.
I will have a good day at work, big brother.
Here is today's news, Sahib.
Thank you, brother.
Here is your newspaper, sir.
Get your papers, right here.
Here you go.
That will be 5 cents, sir.
Here are the textbooks you'll need for the semester.